Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone. I hope you guys are having a good day today. So we are from Indonesia Team B and my name is Idin.
My name is Almira Maya.
My name is Dion Saputra.
My name is Miyati.
My name is Helvi.
And we would like to present our cultural exhibition project about the hidden treasure of Sumatra. So let me tell you about the hidden gem in southern tip of Sumatran Island, Lampung. While much about Indonesia are to be considered exotic from a foreigner standpoint, such as Bali, Sumba, Lombok, and any other places, because we are tropical island. But there is something about the Lampung subculture that is also unique. But to be very honest, not many people would go on travel just to see a certain ethnicity at its most unique. Why? Because usually people travel just to see places they've never seen before. But the beauty of Lampung doesn't disappoint. As the part of the big Sumatran island, Lampung has many exciting things to explore with its tropical climate and forest areas. Here we want to showcase 3 of them: the King of Surfing, Dolphin Paradise, and the private island. So enjoy!
Krui is one of the tourism destinations in Lampung. Krui is the capital city of West Coast District that located in the coastal area of the Indian Ocean. As a coastal area, Krui has tourism potential, especially for beach tourism. Krui is famous as a tourist destination for foreign tourists that primarily going for surfing. One of the world events held in Krui in 2019 is the Krui World Surfing League. And the next, what you can do in Krui is drinking luwak coffee. Luwak coffee is the world's most expensive coffee. Luwak coffee is a unique processing method, not a type of coffee. Luwak or civet cats produce coffee, and that is what makes luwak coffee expensive. And Lampung is the best luwak coffee growing area in Indonesia, and one of the primary producers is in Krui. But in Krui, you can get the coffee affordably priced. The next one, you can have kain tapis or tapis clothes. Tapis is one of the traditional manual thread weaving craft. It has various characteristics with an attractive design and a very high artistic value due to craft and embroidery technique with a very high level of complexity. And kain tapis is also widely used in prestigious national and international events such as fashion weeks and events like Miss Universe. Okay, that's from me.
And now I would like to tell you about Kiluan Bay. Kiluan Bay, perfect holiday gateway to hidden heaven in Lampung. The island nature tourism or Kiluan Bay, which is located in Pekon Village, Kiluan Kelumbayan, Lampung Regency, suitable for tourists who like adventure. The topography is highly and attractive to explore. History of Kiluan Bay. Regarding the history or origins of the Kiluan, actually a lot of legend which tell the story of Kiluan. But there is one legend which until now still outstanding and trusted by the local community. The legend dates back to the time of the era began the collapse of Majapahit Kingdom and Islam enters Indonesia. In the area there is a symbolism or community, initially Pekon Onions, now for an extremely high performer for the accounts. He named Raden Mas Arya, originating from the region of Banten or Malacca. Raden Wijaya Anta based now their devil. However, many of her relatives who displeased him and trying to kill him. Therefore, finally, Raden Wijaya Anta asked her relative who wanted to kill himself in order to take him to the island which is currently called the islands Kiluan. The reason he can only be killed on the island Raden Wijaya Anta on the island because the accounts have not been invisible. He can tell when his end will come. Kiluan Bay, it's worth it to be visited. Supposedly, the dolphins in the Kiluan Bay is the largest in Asia, in fact in the world.
And now, I want to show you about Columbayan Gigi Hiu. What it is? Get started! Columbayan Gigihiu is a beach of Taurira located in Columbayan District, Tagamus Regency, Lampung, Indonesia. This beach is called Gigihiu because cliff inside the Gigihiu restaurant. This place is also known as the Sail Stone because of the stone that expand like a sailboat. Gigihiu Beach has no hotel. Lodgings are available as the residents' homes not far from the tourist site. The unique attraction of Gigihiu Beach makes it different from other beaches that's widely spread over Indonesia. This beach has exotism located from the many towering rock clusters like a giant claws emerging from the sea. These rock clusters vary in height and size. The height of the reef is between 1 and 10 meters. It's also an object of photography because it has extraordinary and unique panorama. Lastly, Gigihiu Beach has a beauty amazing sunset and sunrise. When the morning comes, visitors can see a beautiful view of red, orange, violet.
So, as my friend said before, that Lampung is one of the most exotic places in Indonesia, which are still unknown to many people. As Lampung being the haven of surfing lovers, also Lampung has the biggest dolphins community in Asia. And obviously, because Lampung provides us with one of the most peaceful places to relax, like stargazing and also sunset seeing. Here, we would like to introduce you guys to the concept of ecotourism in Lampung. Ecotourism itself is a traveling system where we could conduct a more intimate understanding between the visitors and also the tourist destinations. Through ecotourism, we would like to improve the visitors' awareness of their surrounding environment, not only by the nature, but also through the culture, belief, traditions, and also political conditions in the local communities. Hopefully, through this private of educational and also cultural sessions with each visitor, we could bring a greater customer experiences in Lampung, which can be calculated as a starting point to build a never-ending story in attracting others as well. In the end, we would like to invite you guys in experiencing the Sumatra's hidden gems, the Shore Private Island. So, what are you guys waiting for? We will wait for you to visit us to provide you guys with the best services that we could provide with. So, let's have a stargazing moment together in the upcoming future. Thank you very much for your attention and have a nice day, everyone. That's all from me.
If you have any question, you can drop your question, guys. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.